Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus S5507QA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your screen on the Asus S5507QA is cracked, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unattended, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and even the internal components of your device. Addressing it promptly is crucial to avoid more costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a set of small screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, replacement screen, bezel, an LCD cover, and some adhesive. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged before beginning the repair. Start by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the device. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. Once you've created a small gap, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry the screen away from the bezel. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips or connectors. Now, locate the screws securing the faulty screen to the device. These screws are usually small and require a precision screwdriver to remove. As you unscrew them, keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently disconnect the cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. This is a delicate process, so be sure to handle the cable with care. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old screen removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the replacement screen with the connectors on the motherboard, ensuring that it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cable, and then secure the screen with the screws you previously removed. After this, check the fit of the bezel and the LCD cover. It should click back into place without any force. Once everything is securely fastened, power on your Asus S5507QA to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, carefully close the device and ensure there are no gaps. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector for your Asus S5507QA. These can significantly reduce the risk of screen damage from drops or impacts. Regularly check your device for any signs of wear or damage, as early intervention can save you time and money. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.